Hi everyone! I'm super happy you've clicked on this video to find out about one of the most impactful ways you can update your home on a slimmer or super skinny budget. With a bit of elbow grease, you can transform your dated or tired space with just a can of paint. I always say nothing can bring a space to life faster and easier than paint. But getting your colors wrong can transform your space in a way that might not be for the better. So I'm going to share with you today 3 of my favorite cabinet paint colors that I've used time and time again on projects with my clients. After over 12 years of selecting paint colors for people, I've seen just about every way to get things wrong and every way to get things right. So I really want you to learn from everything I've seen and done and get it right the first time. Now, before you slap on that first coat of paint, here are a couple of things I want you to do first. 1, find a local paint store like a Benjamin Moore or Sherwin-Williams where you're going to be able to get a bit more technical advice than you might find at your local big box store. Painting cabinets requires a bit more thought than painting your typical wall, so you'll want someone to lean on for help if you need it. 2nd, bring one of your doors or drawers, whichever is easier, to your new paint expert friend and inquire about what steps you might need to take prior to painting, like sanding or filling any holes or cracks. If you skip this crucial step, you will not be happy with your end result. Also, get some advice on the right type of paint to use specific to your cabinets. Now, once you've taken all the preparatory steps to get your cabinets ready for painting, you are ready to buy your paint. Look to other elements in your space that you love, like artwork, rugs, or pillows, or any fixed elements that you need to work with that are not going anywhere anytime soon to help you choose the best color. Are you ready for it? You've been super patient. Okay, here are my 3 favorite paint colors for cabinets coming at you. Number 1 is Benjamin Moore Simply White. It's a classic white with just a touch of creaminess, so it doesn't feel like a harsh or stark white and goes with just about anything. Check it out here in this kitchen designed by Studio McGee. Number 2 is Benjamin Moore's Hail Navy. People are often really worried about their choices being too trendy, but navy's a classic color that will always stand the test of time. This navy's not too dark to tell it's a blue, but a safer color if color is a bit scary for you. Here it is in a kitchen designed by Wendy Morrow Design. Yeah, I could live there. Number 3 on my list is, yep, you guessed it, another Benjamin Moore, Van Cortlandt Blue. If you want an impactful yet soft and pretty blue, this is the one for you. I recently used it in this laundry room, and I gotta say, it made the room. There you have it. Now, there's nothing stopping you from making a huge transformational change to your kitchen or bathroom or any other space that's screaming out for an update. But if there's still something holding you back from getting started, then check out more on our blog. We've got videos and articles like this one, and maybe we give you the solution you need there. And if you have a burning design question you need answered, chat with me on social media and tell me what you need to know. I'm here for you. I can't wait for you to get started. I will see you all soon.